What is psoriasis? Psoriasis is a common skin condition that causes cells to build up rapidly on the surface of the skin. The extra skin cells form thick, silvery scales and itchy dry layer. Human body develops new skin cells every month to replace skin that sheds or flakes off. With psoriasis, new skin cells to accumulate on the skin surface, resulting in thick patches of red, dry and itchy skin. What causes it? Probably the human immune system and genes may contribute to the condition. Therefore, psoriasis is designated under the umbrella of autoimmune disorders. What are the complications? Psoriasis complications may include arthritis, high blood pressure, metabolic syndromes, celiac disease and Crohn's disease, Parkinson's disease, kidney disease, certain eye disorders such as conjunctivitis, blepharitis and uveitis, etc. If a person has psoriasis, will the children be affected? If a parents have the problem, then it is likely the children are in high risk group too. Will psoriasis be transmitted to others through skin contact such as handshake, etc.? No, psoriasis is not contagious. Will I get psoriasis if I use the utensils used by the person suffering from psoriasis? No, one can safely use the kettles, utensils, cups, garments, upholstery, etc. used by the sufferer without any problem. They can cook food or serve food. What are the treatment options? There is no cure in the modern medicine. Only symptoms have to be managed through various drugs given by the physician. Can the sufferer get exposed to sun? Moderate exposure to sun is suggested for the production of vitamin D. Overexposure is not recommended. Can the sufferer use moisturiser? Yes, it is strongly recommended to hydrate the skin regularly. Which weather is to be avoided? It is suggested to avoid very hot, dry and very cold conditions with low relative humidity. Can alcohol be taken? Not advised. Type of garments. Cotton garments are strongly recommended. It is better to completely avoid synthetic garments, thick woolen garments or upholstery. Food and diet include green leafy vegetables, multigrain foods, spices like ginger, light buttermilk, citrus fruits and fiber-rich foods. Coconut water is good. Better to keep away from or minimize tea, coffee, chocolate, etc. Totally no to junk foods, canned foods, soft drinks, strong sweeteners, sugary drinks, trans fats, deep fry foods, foods fried in reused oils, etc. Physical activity. Moderate physical activity is good, preferably in the early hours of the day or late evenings when the sun heat is low. Walking, mild joggings, yoga, mild sports and activities like pranayama, meditation or deep relaxation have very potential healing effect. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.